Hello friends, welcoming you all to AK Gardening Passion channel. Friends, subscribe AK Gardening Passion channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of the latest videos on the channel. Friends, it's summer season now and a season of fragrant flowers. There are many white flowers which are fragrant like mogra, jasmine, rajnigandha and many more. Also, this is the blooming season of champa, also called as Swarna Champa or Magnolia Champa, and Mischelia Champa, or also called Golden Champa. It will also bloom throughout the year. Friends, it is a beautiful fragrant flower. The plant is of two colors, that is yellow color and white color. The plant is easily available in the nurseries. Friends, there are two varieties, that is wild and grafted variety. The flowers are very fragrant and bloom at the time of evening and remain for 2 to 3 days on the plant. When there is flow of the air or a breeze of air through these flowers, then the fragrance of the flowers is released and it gets spread. So friends, it will make the environment fresh and give a pleasant fragrance to the environment where the plant is planted. The fragrance of the flower is strong but pleasant. If you know the fragrance, then you will definitely buy the plant. The fragrance of the flower is sweet. Friends, the plant is planted mainly for the flowers, but the plant is medicinal as well. Friends, these plants are grown in floriculture and also nearby the houses and bungalows. As the flowers are used to prepare garlands, incense sticks or agarbattis, perfumes, or to extract the various oils from the flowers. So it is commercially cultivated. Also, Swarna Champa flowers are used to offer the gods or deities. It is also used for weddings. And the wood of the plant or a tree is used for carpentry, as the wood is of the best quality. Friends, let's see some information regarding the cultivation of this plant. Friends, talking about the soil requirement for the Magnolia Champa plant or Swarna Champa plant. Friends, this plant can be grown in containers as well as in the land. But in land, it may grow like a huge tree nearly up to height of 50 meters. But if you want, you can prune the plant and maintain its height and shape. Friends, the plant grows best in the acidic soil and the plant requires moist soil. Friends, the plant fixes nitrogen in and around the soil of its plantation, which is very good for the other plants. But friends, if you are planning to plant it in the container, then you buy the grafted variety, as it grows slowly and the plant will be blooming continuously since you buy it from the nursery. But friends, when you buy the wild variety which is grown from the seed, then it may take nearly 2 to 3 years to produce buds and flowers, and the tree also grows very tall and big as compared to the grafted variety. Friends, to make the potting mix, you can use 30% of garden soil, 30% of sand and 30% of vermicompost or cow dung manure and 10% of coco peat. Friends, plant requires acidic soil. It can be done by using cow dung manure or vermicompost. Friends, nextly talking about the propagation of plant. Friends, the propagation of the plant is done through seeds and graftings. But you can buy them easily from the nurseries as it is readily available. Friends, I have two varieties, that is wild and grafted varieties, and also have two colors of Swarna Champa, that is white and yellow color. I have one white and one yellow colored flowers which are grafted varieties and one yellow of wild variety. But During the plantation of grafted variety, take care that the grafted site will remain 2 inch above the soil. Friends, if you are planting the plant in containers, then take care that the container should be above 12 inch or more, as the plant is a growing plant and the container should have adequate holes for water drainage. Friends, you can plant the Swarna Champa plant throughout the year, but preferably plant it in the rainy seasons. Friends, if you are planning to plant the Swarna Champa or Son Champa plant in the land, then choose the area nearby the compound wall as it grows big. Friends, nextly talking about the fertilizer requirement for the plant. Friends, as it is a flowering plant, the fertilizer use is most important. The plant requires acidic soil. So friends, to make the soil acidic, you can use vermicompost or cow dung manure every 3 months. You can give it, and if the plant is big, then you can give the fertilizers in the Bengal method, that is in the radius of 1 to 2 feet from the plant stem. You can dig nearly 1 feet of the soil, you can remove, and you can add fertilizers and replace the soil again. You can also use liquid manure spray. Friends, preferably use organic fertilizers for this plant, as the plant loves more organic matter. But if you are using chemical fertilizers, then dissolve half teaspoon of NPK or DAP in 2 liters of water and give this water to the plant. You can give fertilizers every 3 months. But don't forget to give fertilizers in early springs, as the blooming season of this plant is more in summers. Many plants bloom whole or throughout year if planted in full sun, but the plant will be full on bloom in summer. So give the fertilizers in early springs, but in blooming time spray liquid fertilizers every week. Friends, nextly talking about the water requirements for Son Champa or Magnolia Champa plant. Friends, the plant loves moist soil, so water the plant when the soil starts becoming dry, but the plant will not tolerate drought conditions. So water the plant carefully, but avoid overwatering. Friends, nextly talking about the light requirements for Son Champa plant. Friends, the Son Champa plant loves full sun. There should be at least 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight on the plant to have the blooms on the plant. Friends, if the plant gets less sunlight, then it will produce less or no flowers. There will be only foliage. The plant prefers the warm climates than the cold climates. So friends, nextly talking about the pruning. The plant requires pruning if you want to maintain the shape of the plant short. Friends, if you are planning to prune the plant, then do it in the months of December or January, so that it will produce the foliage in the months of February, March and starts blooming. So friends, nextly talking about the pests in the Son Champa plant or Magnolia Champa plant. Friends, the plant remains pest free, but sometimes there may be attack of caterpillars, aphids, thrips. So to remove these or remove them and to prevent the plant from the attack of these pests, spray neem oil. If the plant is attacked with the pests, then spray neem oil thrice a week, and to prevent the pests attack, spray neem oil every 15 days. Friends, nextly talking about the maintenance of Magnolia Champa or Son Champa plant. Friends, the leaves of the plant will fall off in the winter months. So cleaning of the area is essential, and pruning of the plant should be done to maintain the plant's short and to maintain the shape of the plant. If the plant is planted in the containers and if it has root bounding, then repotting is required. So do repotting in the months of rainy season. So friends, talking about some tips to grow sun champa plant. Tip 1, grow it in huge containers at least of 12 to 14 inch. Tip 2, choose grafted variety as it gets more blooms and you can get them early. Tip 3, use organic fertilizers if possible. Tip 4, choose the area for plantation where there is 4 to 5 hours of full sun. Tip 5, pluck the flowers so that there will be no seed formation. As there is seed formation, it will reduce the blooms because the plant will only use its nutrition for the formation of seeds instead of formation of buds and flowering. So friends, this was all about the plant Magnolia champa or Son champa. So friends, if you like the plant, then definitely add it in your gardens, terrace gardens, balconies or backyards, or plant or place it in nearby the windows, doors, and the plant will give fabulous fragrance and spreads it in your house.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on.
If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up to the video and share the channel. Friends, signing off the video. Thank you. Friends, stay at home and stay safe.
Through the wastelands, through the highway.